Well, Halloween is not just for kids. It is also a great time to share treats with your friends, especially if you're planning to host a party. For some inspiration of what to serve to your grown-up friendly Halloween party, food expert Jason Skrobar is with us. Happy Halloween.
Happy early Halloween.
Happy early. I like that you dressed in black, fitting for the occasion. We're not making blackberries.
No, that'll be our next segment.
Okay, perfect. You know, I love that you brought a giant bowl, like just to scare away all the vampires. A giant bowl of garlic. What are we making here? This is not the garlic.
So we are making a glaze for some meatballs.
Yum.
So we've made the meatballs already, and I just wanted to show what was in the glaze. Okay. It's really simple. We've got some soy sauce. We have garlic and ginger, brown sugar, and gochujang, which I've used on the show before.
What is it?
It's a Korean tomato paste. So it brings a lot of flavor. There's a bit of heat to it. And you basically you take all those ingredients, you put them on the stove, and
blend them up.
You basically cook that down until it gets nice and thick like this, right?
Okay.
But to add a little bit of a Halloween effect, we're gonna use some black food paste, and we're gonna just dye it. It takes only like a little bit, like tiny little bit goes in,
as they say.
And
change the color
basically it changes it to black really quickly, okay? See
and
that?
we don't cook the meatballs in this, right? This is a pour over?
So you cook the meatballs on, you brown them on the stove, and then you put them in the oven for about 25 minutes. And then once they're out of the oven, and this is hot, and the meatballs are hot, you toss them in a bowl. And then, so we've got the glaze, and we're gonna take that, and this is what they look like, okay? So what we've done is we've tossed them in the glaze, and then what I did is I sprinkled a little bit of white sesame seeds, and I've sprinkled some sweet paprika on there.
See a little orange and black together.
Exactly, so if you wanna try one.
Perfect for a party.
Right?
Oh, it's good.
And it's got a bit of sweetness and a bit of heat.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Good party food.
And then, so that's a nice way to start the party. This here is my adult cheese board Halloween style.
This is gorgeous, Jason.
Okay, so really what we have 2 stars of the cheese board. We've got a sweet and a savory pumpkin dip. So they're both done in pumpkins. You basically just hollow out the pumpkins. This cheesy dip is actually baked in the oven in the pumpkin. So you hollow it out, and then in this dip, it has goat cheese and cream cheese and cheddar, and it's got some pumpkin puree as well. And you mix all that together, put it in the pumpkin, top it with some more cheddar, pop that into the oven for about 20 minutes.
So easy to make, right?
Really
That's what
easy.
You want.
You could even get your kids to help you with this.
I love that. Can I steal some?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just want to basically surround all of these with different orange and black ingredients that you can find. Some cheeses, some black olives. I've got some sweet potato
chips. I love that idea.
And
What's
then
in
this
one?
is the sweet one. It's my pumpkin cheesecake dip. I've got cream cheese and goat cheese, and then some more pumpkin puree, some pumpkin spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, all of that, a little bit of maple syrup. And then again with this, you just want to surround it with some black and orange elements. I've got some candied mangoes, some black grapes, some cookies, some fruit.
This is a good combo.
Right?
How cool that is. And it's kind of like a centerpiece.
And then it's done it's done in the pumpkin. And then if we want to move on to the last one.
Because you've got all those leftover pumpkin seeds now.
Yeah, so basically you take all those pumpkin seeds and you roast them. For this is my pumpkin chocolate brittle.
Wait, I just need another bite of this.
Yes, please
Keep
do.
talking, because
That's a good
really
sign.
Good.
That's a good sign, people. Okay, so this is really easy. You can get, again, your kids to help you with this. You take the pumpkins that you've cored out of the pumpkins, and you just bake them in the oven. Toss them with a bit of oil, salt and pepper. If you want to add some spices, you can. Put that in the oven for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then those are ready. And then this bark is really simple. It's just got a caramel layer on the bottom, and you cook that out on the stovetop. Layer that on the bottom of a baking sheet with foil, and then you top that with some chocolate. You can use any kind of chocolate. I use dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate if you want, whatever. You can even use white and dark if you want.
Oh, pretty.
And then basically because the caramel is still hot once it comes out of the oven, you put the chocolate on top, it melts it. You spread that, throw that in the fridge, top it with the pumpkin seeds, throw that in the fridge for 2 hours. That's all it takes to set. Break it up, and there you go. You've got a whole spread.
I can make the food like you, but I can't decorate like you. So I'll just take a picture of this and then just replicate it at home.
Sure, but I bet you could.
You would lose that bet. All right, for all of these recipes, Jason, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
You can head to our website. You will enjoy them all. We will be right back.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.